Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a line glitch effect in DaVinci Resolve using Fusion. I actually got inspired to make this effect after watching an anime where a character had this cool, glitchy distortion happening on screen. So if you've ever wanted to add a glitchy digital breakdown to your edits, stick around because I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, load your video into the timeline. Once that's done, head over to the Fusion page. You can either click on the Fusion icon here or right-click on your clip and select Open in Fusion page. So in Fusion, we're going to add 3 nodes that will help us achieve the glitch effect. The first node we need is the Displace node. Click on the Media node to select it, then press Ctrl plus Spacebar to open the Select Tool menu. In the search bar, type Displace, select it from the list, and click Add. I'm just going to tidy up these nodes for a cleaner look. The next node we're going to add is the Stop Motion node. What this does is it delays or quickens the effect, giving the glitch a stuttery, frame-skipping look. Press Ctrl plus Space to open the search bar in DaVinci Resolve. Type in Stop Motion and hit Add. Once added, drag the Stop Motion node and place it directly above the Displace node. Next, let's add the Fast Noise node. You can either search for it using the search tool or simply drag it from the toolbar. Now let's connect all the nodes. Start by linking the output of the Fast Noise node to the Stop Motion node. Then connect the Stop Motion node to the Displace node. Now click on the Fast Noise node, then press the number key 1 on your keyboard. This will show the fast noise in the first viewer screen and the node will be highlighted in white, indicating that it's now displayed in screen 1. Now head over to the Inspector tab to adjust the setting. First, we're going to adjust the contrast. What many people don't know is that the default slider limit isn't the maximum value you can set. You can always double-click on the value and manually enter a higher or lower number to fine-tune it to your desired level. I'm going to set the contrast to 100. As you can see, this creates a liquid distortion effect. Next, I'm heading over to the brightness setting. I'll start by adjusting the values to see how it affects the noise pattern. As you tweak this setting, you'll notice the change in intensity. Now I'm going to set the brightness to -50. This darkens the noise significantly, making the white areas shrink while the black areas expand. Let's move on to the detail setting. Increasing this value adds more complex patterns to the noise, making it more refined and textured. I'll set it to 8, which enhances the complexity of the effect. I'll first uncheck the box to separate the scaling. The X scale mainly controls the vertical stretching of the noise, so if you need glitch lines to appear vertically, this is the setting to tweak. I'll set the X scale to 1, keeping the noise pattern unaffected in that direction. I'm going to adjust the Y scale since we want the glitch effect to appear horizontally and set the value to 45. Next, go to the seethe rate and set the value to 50. This will increase the speed at which the noise evolves. Go to the seethe parameter and set the seethe value to -0.5. Next, go to the color tab next to the noise settings. You'll see 2 options for type: to color and gradient. Select gradient to give the glitch effect more variation and depth. You can leave the settings as they are in the Gradient tab since they work well by default. Next, head over to the Stop Motion node to refine and enhance the glitch effect. Open the Inspector panel and you'll see an option to adjust the frame rate. If you set it too low, like 1, the effect feels overly quick and harsh, making it look unnatural. To keep the glitch noticeable but balanced, I'll set the value to 10, which creates a smoother, controlled stutter that enhances the digital distortion. Next, go to the Displace node and open the Inspector panel. Here, we're going to adjust the Refraction Strength. I'll set it to -2 to create a noticeable but balanced distortion effect. Next, go to the Light Power parameter in the Displace node and set the value to 0.5 to soften the lighting effect. Then adjust the light angle and set it close to -14, which helps shape the way the glitch interacts with the highlights and shadows. That's it. Now we have the desired glitch effect. To see how it looks, switch back to the Edit tab. If you want a better preview, press Ctrl plus F to view it in full screen and check how the effect plays in real time. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials. If you have any similar ideas or effects you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.